Magandang buhay! Sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo about problem solving involving horizontal distance between 2 points. Simulan natin dito sa example number 1. The bumper cars has the coordinate 2 and 3 while the carousel is at 8 and 3. How far is the bumper cars from the carousel? So kung ipaplat natin yan sa Cartesian plane, yung bumper cars daw ay nasa 2 and 3. So mula sa origin, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So ito yung bumper cars. And then yung carousel ay nasa 8 and 3. So mula sa origin, 8 pa kanan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3. Nandito naman yung carousel. So kung titingnan natin, parehas yung y. So kapag kaganyan yung coordinates natin na given, parehas ng y, meaning to say, involved dito yung horizontal distance. Kaya kung titingnan natin dito sa graph, ay makaka-form tayo ng horizontal line mula sa bumper cars papunta sa carousel. So malalaman natin yung distance ng dalawang point kapag naiplat natin sa Cartesian plane sa pamamagitan ng simpleng pagbibilang. So mula sa bumper cars papunta sa carousel, bibilangin lang natin kung ilang step. So starting from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6 units. So kapag nakaplat sa Cartesian plane yung given natin, madali lang makuha yung distance, bibilangin lang natin. Pero sometimes, mahirap nang i-plot sa Cartesian plane yung given kasi minsan malalaki yung number. So that's why meron pang isang paraan para makuha yung distance sa pamamagitan ng formula. So ito yung formula, absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So ito yung given natin, 2 and 3 saka 8 and 3. So lagay lang muna natin yung x sub 2. So meron tayong dalawang x, isang 2 at isang 8. So kahit alin naman dyan yung kuhanin nating value ni x sub 2 ay walang problema kasi absolute value naman yan, magiging positive pa rin yung sagot natin. So x sub 2 in this example, gamitin natin itong number 2. And then x sub 1, kung ginamit na natin itong number 2, syempre ito na yung x sub 1 natin, number 8. X sub 2 yung 2, x sub 1 yung 8. Now, substitute lang natin sa formula, yung x sub 2, palitan natin ng 2. Then minus, bring down, x sub 1, palitan natin ng 8. And then close natin. Answer lang natin yung 2 minus 8. The answer is negative 6. And then close natin. So dahil ito ay absolute value, laging positive yung sagot natin. Dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay distance at wala namang distance na negative value, kaya nga laging positive. So absolute value of negative 6 is equal to positive 6. And yun yung sagot natin, 6 units gamit yung formula. So again, there are two ways para masagot natin yung ganitong klase ng question. Una, sa pamamagitan ng simpleng pagbibilang sa Cartesian plane kung naiplat natin yung points. And then pangalawa, sa pamamagitan ng formula. Kahit alin yung gamitin natin, same na answer lang yung makukuha natin. Dito naman tayo sa example number 2. The pirate ship has the coordinate negative 7 and negative 5, while the restroom is at 3 and negative 5. How far is the pirate ship to the restroom? So kahit hindi natin yan i-plot sa Cartesian plane, alam natin na makaka-form yan ng horizontal line dahil pareha sila ng y, negative 5 and then negative 5. So, sagutan natin siya sa pamamagitan ng formula. So, again, ang formula ay absolute value ng x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Sulat lang natin yung given. Again, sa x sub 2, walang kaso kahit alin dyan yung kuhanin natin. But for this example, gamitin natin yung 3 as x sub 2. And then, ang x sub 1, dahil nagamit na natin yung 3, eto na yung magiging x sub 1 natin, which is negative 7. Substitution tayo, x sub 2 palitan natin ng 3, minus bring down, x sub 1 palitan natin ng negative 7, and then close natin. Next, bring down natin yung 3. So dahil ito ay subtraction of integers, i-apply natin dito yung rule sa pag-subtract ng integers. So change the sign of the subtrahend and then proceed to addition or simply keep change. So i-keep natin itong una, 3, yung minus palitan natin, gawin nating plus, at yung negative 7, palitan natin ng sign, gawin nating positive 7. And then add lang natin 3 plus 7, the answer is 10. And then absolute value of 10 is equal to 10. So ito yung sagot natin sa number 2, 10 units. Example number 3, find the horizontal distance between negative 7 and negative 5 and 3 and negative 5. So using the formula, sulat lang natin yung given. Ang x sub 2, ilagay natin si negative 7. Ang x sub 1 naman ay itong si 3. Substitution tayo, x sub 2, palitan natin ng negative 7, minus, bring down lang. X sub 1, palitan natin ng 3, and then close. Again, subtraction of integers, so keep change. keep natin yung negative 7, yung minus gawin nating plus, yung positive 3 gawin nating negative 3. And then, proceed to addition. Negative 7 plus negative 3, parehas ng sign, kaya i-add natin. The answer is 10, and then copy natin yung sign, negative 10. So again, negative 7 plus negative 3, the answer is negative 10. And then absolute value of negative 10, the answer is 10 units. So ito yung sagot natin sa example number 3. Example number 4, find the horizontal distance between negative 6 and 4 and 9 and 4. So again, kahit hindi natin yan i-plot sa Cartesian plane, alam natin na yan ay horizontal distance dahil parehas yung kanilang y. So using the formula, sulat lang natin yung given. For x of 2, gamitin natin si negative 6. X of 1, gamitin naman natin si 9. Substitute lang tayo. For x of 2, palitan natin ng negative 6. Yung minus, bring down lang. X of 1, palitan ng 9, and then close natin. Again, subtraction of integers, keep, change, change. So, bring down lang natin ito. Negative 6, keep natin. Minus, change natin to plus. And then, positive 9, gawin natin negative 9, and then close natin. Now, answer lang natin ito, negative 6 plus negative 9. The answer is negative 15. And then, absolute value of negative 15, the answer is 15 units. So, ito yung answer natin sa example number 4. Example number 5, find the horizontal distance between negative 1 and 6 and negative 11 and 6. So again, parehas ng y value, kaya horizontal distance yan. Using the formula, sulat lang muna natin yung given. For x sub 2, gamitin natin itong si negative 1. And for x sub 1, gamitin natin itong si negative 11. And then substitution tayo. For x sub 2, palitan natin ng negative 1. Minus, bring down. X sub 1, palitan natin ng negative 11, and then close natin. Again, keep, change, change. Keep natin yung negative 1, change natin yung minus into plus, change natin yung negative 11 into positive 11, and then close natin. Now, addition ng magkaibang sign, so kailangan nating isubtract, and then kopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaki. So, negative 1 plus 11, the answer is positive 10. And then, yung absolute value ng positive 10 ay 10. So, ito yung ating sagot sa example number 5. So, yun lang. Sana ay nakatulong sa inyo itong maikling tutorial na ito. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, pakiclick naman yung like button at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para sa iba pang tutorial na kagaya nito. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.